All parties Hurriayt conference has condemned the continued illegal detentions of the Hurriayt leaders and activists and other Kashmiri political detainees languishing in the jails of the occupied Kashmir since long time. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement in Srinagar, has appealed to the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres to play his role in the early release of the Kashmiri leaders. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has urged the international community to play its role to help resolve the long-standing Kashmir dispute for lasting peace in the region. In a statement issued in Srinagar, the DFP spokesman Advocate Arshad Iqbal said that a deeper engagement on the part of the influential world powers, particularly the US, could help pave the way for a just and the lasting resolution to the Kashmir issue. Highly communal and the corrupt occupation regime led by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has shifted the dozens of the Kashmiri political prisoners from occupied Kashmir to different jails in India. The political prisoners, mostly the Hurriayt activists, have been shifted from the Kot Bhalwal Jail, Jammu, Poonch District Jail and Srinagar Central Jail to the Indian jails of the BJP-ruled state Haryana and the Uttar Pradesh. Pakistan said that the hate-driven invocation of the violence in the recent remarks of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi was deeply disturbing, urging the international community to take serious note of India's escalating rhetoric, undermining the regional stability and the prospects for the lasting peace. Foreign Office spokesperson Shafqat Ali Khan said in a statement in Islamabad, Pakistan has taken note of the recent remarks by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi delivered in Gujarat with the theatrical flourish of a campaign rally rather than a sovereignty expected of a leader of a nuclear-armed state.